So this is the system that I was telling you about. So this particular contactor represents solar backup. This other contactor here represents KPLC. Then there is a relay, obviously circuit breakers or MCBs to control the power that goes into this controls here, this contactor. And then there is another timer over here. And now what we want to do, because as I told you earlier, we want this system, the solar backup will take control during the day. So we set from that timer that the solar backup will start operating at 6 in the morning and will stop operating at 7 at night. So currently, because KPLC is the priority, that is what you can see, the coil is inside of this KPLC contactor. And so what we want to do is to set the timer so that now, because it is during the day, we want to set the timer so that the contactor that is being used is the solar backup contactor. So we've just set the time for the timer, and now we want now to set it in such a way that it will go back to solar backup. In this case, you have to. In this case, we put the. You can see how fast it was. You did not even realize what happened. So you can see right now the contactor that is the coil that is inside is for the solar backup contactor, because now the timer is on auto mode. You can see right there it is written auto mode. So when you put it on manual or just that it is on, you will see that the contactor releases and then this one takes over, because this is the priority. So let us repeat that process when we are on a wide angle so that you can see this timer, how it delays the power from coming from solar backup to KPLC. So put it on auto. That one is immediate, but now when switching to the other mode, which is solar backup, there is a small delay of around 1-2 seconds. I set it. You can see this contactor will release and then this one will activate. So that is the work of this particular timer over here, to delay the transition from one power to the other. So let us put it in auto again, and we will go back to solar. So solar is being used. So let me go back to where I was. As I was saying, now in this scenario, this timer is the one that is controlling this circuit, so that during the day you can use solar backup, during the night you can use KPLC. So if KPLC at night for some reason, we know Kenya Power and their problems, if KPLC at night for some reason depletes or the lights go off, so this is the double pole that controls KPLC, or also I can use this one. What will happen? First of all, we have to put the timer on, so that now, assuming that now we are using KPLC at night and KPLC goes off, you can see what happens. The contactor that serves solar goes on automatically. So I think that's it for the video today, and shall see you in the next video.